What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of A Nomad's Life. Today, we're going to the Travertine Hot Springs. Good morning. It was a chilly night last night. There's frost on the tent, there's frost everywhere. The car is all frosted over. This water freezes. This is completely frozen. I am boiling water for some tea. The sun's about to rise. And we're gonna go to the hot springs this morning. There's only one other car in the parking lot, so I think we're gonna have my favorite hot spring to myself. It's just a beautiful morning. Hudson's running around. He loves it here. We have the Sierras, all these hot spring deposits. This is one of the best ways to start your day. Sitting in a warm hot spring, watching the sun rise with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. It's just, it's one of the best feelings in the world, I think. Yeah, this is the dream. This is what makes it all worth it. It's moments like these that I live for. See these beautiful, beautiful hot spring deposits. I don't want to take too much time filming right now because I just want to get to the hot spring. I want to claim the hot spring before someone else does. My hands are freezing. The car said it was 23 degrees right now. Let's see if we're alone here. I see the steam. I see the steam from my favorite hot spring. We've claimed it. This is it. I've been coming to this tree to harvest wood to keep me warm at night. There's a part of me that feels bad about breaking branches off of this tree that's probably been out here for longer than I've been alive. With each snap of a dead branch, I'm connected with the world. I am modifying its appearance and altering its ecosystem. I would much rather walk miles to this tree multiple times a day than live in a house with a furnace. A click of a switch to keep warm would distance me from nature. It would separate me from the environment and leave me a prisoner to society. tonight I'm gonna have rice and curry for dinner. I made the curry about a week ago and it's been sitting in my freezer. So I'm gonna warm that up and I'm gonna make some rice. This is how I measure the rice. I don't actually have a measuring cup, but I use this. Basically, the best way to make rice is just a ratio. It's just 2 to 1. This pan is extremely hot. I have it very hot, so you want to bring the rice to a boil very quickly. You want to put it on high until it boils. And once it's boiling, you want to simmer it for 20 minutes. I have it cooking this way because when you make rice, a lot of the times the water kind of boils out, and I just don't want to make a mess on my stove. So this is the first time I've ever made rice on the stove, so we'll see how it turns out. All right, our rice is boiling over, which means it's time to kill the fire. Dinner is served. We have curry. Pan's a little hot. It's hard to make curry look delicious, but this is the curry that I have. It's pretty good. It's the first curry I've ever made. The real moment of truth is this rice. We're gonna adjust the camera for this right here. All right, let's see how this turned out. Perfect rice. Let's look at the consistency. This is perfect rice. Check this out. Boom. Not burnt at the bottom. A little crisp at the bottom, maybe. But yeah, this is pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is just scoop this rice into the curry. That was good. It's time to wrap the video up. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you want to see more content. Keep chasing your dreams, and I'll see you in the next one.